Yo, what it is, guys? What's up? Today's another special day. Just last week we went to a little Prelude meet in Dallas. It's a week later. We cleaned the loot up again. But today is even more special because this is the first time I entered the Prelude into a car show. So this is gonna be the biggest event I've ever taken the Prelude to and participated in. So I got up at like 5 in the morning cleaning the Prelude when it was freaking still dark outside. So I'm about to meet up with one of the homies with me. We're gonna roll out to the show together, but there's a couple of finishing touches I need to add. I'm gonna fix this little lip real quick, and then since I didn't finish that mirror, I figured, you know what, I might as well just throw on those carbon fiber mirrors I've been holding on to, you know. Ooh, maybe even the eyelids too. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm kind of scared they'll fly off on the highway. I do got some double-sided tape, but you never know. But shoot, let's knock this out real quick. Oh yeah, the power of vinyl wrap. Yee! Looking Gucci. Alright, yo, it's time I stop playing and finally put these on. Oh shoot. Yeah! Straight from Japan. This is what you need when you're too lazy to wrap the mirror. It'll just cover this front part. We'll still have some white, but screw it, man. That's gonna look a lot better. Yo, once these go on, I'm probably never gonna take them back off, and it'll probably be really hard to wrap around it, but screw it. Dang, yo, that thing is on there like a glove. Woo. I gotta put on the other one real quick. Yo, the show starts in like 30 minutes, and I'm about an hour away, and I'm not even done prepping the car. Ooh. Yo, this fitment is super good. These carbon fiber mirrors hit differently. Like, I don't know why I didn't put these on sooner. Screw it, let's go and put the carbon fiber eyelids on too. Yeah. Just look at that. They look pretty similar, right? The pattern, the weave? Probably not, but whatever. Yeah, you guys are probably like, man, why the hell would you freaking do self-tapping screws on headlights? But hey, man, I really don't plan on keeping these headlights for too long, so whatever. Browless Prelude. What do you think? Team eyebrows or no eyebrow? I'm with team carbon fiber eyebrows. Yee. Just check this out. Dang. Okay. All right. Yo, these mirror covers hit way different. They look so nice. Sheesh. Well, I'm on the way to meet up Bitme, and we're about to go get some breakfast and then roll out to IFO. Yeah. Hey, bro, pull up a little bit and step on the brakes. Just pull up a little bit. All right, step on the brakes. Yo, you got a fish tank back here. It's you got them water in the taillights. Yeah. Dang. Yeah, actually got a lot.
You don't have a lot of water?
That whole dark part, that's all water.
Really?
Yeah. Look on your other taillight. There's nothing in that one.
That one was bad too. Yeah, I didn't drill a hole.
Yeah, this side got nothing in it. Woo! The biggest gas station on earth. Dang. Damn, this is like 3 Walmarts put together. Yo, I'm not even in the show yet, but there's a Prelude right there. Hold up. Y'all see it? I don't know if the camera can zoom in that good, but yeah, where that kid is. Hey, Prelude gang. I was supposed to be here at 9 o'clock, but it's about 12 o'clock now. Better late than never. Yeah. It's all good. The latest I could come in is 2 o'clock for the judge show. Yo, that'd be so cool if I won something. You think the league could win something? Who knows? Yo, just found 2 Preludes. Oh, 3 actually. Damn, I should have parked over here. Alright, yo, so that's gonna do for today's video. There's a lot of cars to showcase, so I mean, I try to squeeze in whatever I can find or what cars I liked. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a good time here at IFO. I'm glad I came out to this meet. It's pretty big, so yeah. I'm kind of feeling the carbon fiber look on the Prelude. I feel with the eyelids, like I need to get that carbon fiber hood, but we'll see. But I mean, let me know in the comments below what you think about the carbon fiber pieces we added. But yeah, yo, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Later.